How to add a separator line between sections on Wix. So the easiest way to do it is to just change the color of each section. So as you can see, the section right here has cloud background, while the section has plain black background. So by doing this, you should be able to clearly separate the two of them. Now, if you don't want to actually change those, you can right click on a specific section, click on this shape dividers, and in here, it should be able to show you this. So for example, for this one, I have in here my shape divider and it's told to the bottom. So for example, let's change it to the left wave. And then once you have done that, it should be able to adjust to that. Alternatively, you can also just change what the next section look like and change the shape divider for that. So in order to do it, just head over and click on this. And then for example, let's choose ellipse right here for the top of that. And as you can see, it's been added right here as a shape divider. So that's how you add a separator line between sections on Wix. Hope we helped.